Hello everyone. So you are done with the prelims 2020 and we are heading towards mains 2020 preparation. Okay. So this is early morning in Mussoorie. So I am going to academy today. You know the feeling of going to the Labasna. It was a childhood dream and today it is coming into reality. Okay. So I promised you to make a video for mains preparation, but I could not due to some obligations. So I am making this video before going to academy. So I don't know what would be our schedule there. Okay. So guys, those who are scoring above 90 with general category, they should start mains preparation. Don't wait for the results because you will waste your 40 days in this. Result will come around 15th to 20th November, right? So start your mains preparation now. Okay, those you check your score according to your respective categories. That is the first thing. Second, those again for CSAT scores, if you are scoring around 67, 66, then again start your mains preparation. Start your mains preparation. Okay. Moving forward, how to start mains preparation, as many people don't know because they are first timers, first time giving mains. Okay, so they don't know how to prepare for mains. So what would be our strategy to prepare for mains? What would be our strategy? First of all, I would like to say those people who are feeling that we are on boundary, they should start their preparation with ethics, essay and your optional. Ethics, essay and your optional. You should start your preparation with ethics, essay and optional. Okay. So ethics ka simple hai, you can write the case studies, you can write the answers. Okay. Then essay, you have to write the answers. If possible, you can join any test series for essay. Okay. See why I tell more focus on ethics, essay and optional. People spend a lot of time on GS 1, 2, 3. They give around a month, 30 days for GS preparation and they give zero time for ethics and essay preparation. Zero. But ethics and essay will make you a topper. In my first attempt, I did not prepare for essay and I got 107 marks. I suffered. So take this thing very seriously. So those who are on boundary, you people can start with this. Once the result is out, you can start with the GS test series. Okay. Now about first we will talk about preparation, then all about the test series. Okay. Starting with the preparation, my suggestion would be, I have uploaded a lot of notes on my Telegram channel. So you can refer to those notes. See, there are two types of topics in the main syllabus. Those who are प्रीलिम्स टाइप, मतलब जो टॉपिक को हमने प्रीलिम्स में भी पढ़ा है, जैसे मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्री, आर्ट एंड कल्चर, ज्योग्राफी, लक्ष्मीकांत पॉलिटी, राइट, एंड देन इन इकोनॉमी some portion. Okay, these we have read in the prelims, but the portion like Indian society, post independence, world history, then governance portion, IR portion, economics, agriculture, internal security, disaster management, these type of topics we have not prepared in prelims, right? So almost for every topic I have provided notes on my Telegram channel. Those are very comprehensive notes. I have referred to those notes. So what would be our strategy? It would be like we will start GS plus our optional. So my ethics preparation would be, I used to dedicate 1 hour daily. I used to dedicate 1 hour daily. So you can dedicate 1 hour daily for ethics. So I used to write answers in the morning or case studies in the morning. Okay. So you can write those case studies or answers in the morning itself. Okay. So once you are done with that, okay, once you are done with that, then I think you can see again your optional preparation. Prepare optional very wisely. If possible, join test series. If possible, join test series, whether it is offline, online, that is your choice. Okay, join test series, prepare optional thoroughly. Now you should start your optional preparation, because after November 15 you will focus more time on your GS preparation and current affairs preparation, right? So right now you should complete your optional, you should write some tests. Now many people say that you have to write 15 tests, 20 tests. I don't think so. Write 5-10 tests, that would be enough. But complete all sectional tests where your entire syllabus gets completed. Don't leave a single topic from optional, because your optional is very important. It will give you 500 marks. 500 में से 300 plus marks, right? So prepare your optional starting now. Starting now, prepare your optional. Second, ethics का मैंने बोल दिया है. Essay, on every Sunday you write essay. On every Sunday you write essay. As I said, if possible, you can join any test series. Okay, so you can do this in a guided manner. Okay, so you can join test series. Coming to the current affairs preparation for mains. Current affairs preparation for mains, because this is again very tricky part. Everybody prepare from PT 365. PT 365, everybody prepares from that. But it is not enough considering the past mains. Last year का अगर mains देखा जाए, so only PT 365 is not enough. Okay, so what you can do? I think the topics which are coming from the January onwards, they are very important. So you can again read Insights Secure. Insights का secure पढ़ सकते हैं. So the most of your portion is completed. Most of your portion is completed. Insights Secure plus Vision. Insights Secure plus Vision. Okay, these two ये हमें cover करना है current affairs के लिए. Should we read newspaper in this time? Yes, you should read newspaper. You should have a tab on this. So what is important, so that you can cover that holistically. But don't waste a lot of time in newspaper reading now. Only 30 minutes or 45 minutes in reading newspaper for me, because you are preparing for mains. Okay, mains के लिए we need those journals, current affairs magazines. Okay, we can prepare from that. Then about GS, GS1, GS2, GS3. I think GS1, GS2 and GS3 takes, GS3 is the portion, we will start from GS3. You can predict most of the questions. You can predict most of the questions. Economics portion, agriculture portion, internal security, disaster management, very easy. I have provided notes for each and everything on my channel. You can refer to those notes. Those are very comprehensive notes. Internal security I will provide, I have not provided yet. Okay, so you can refer from those notes, and those are very comprehensive notes. Okay, done. Agriculture also I will provide notes. So GS3 preparation may take 7-8 days. 7-8 days your GS3 preparation will take. And again cover the current affairs portion. Current affairs for agriculture, current affairs for disaster. Sub ये entire GS3 is based on current affairs. But यहाँ पे दो tricky portion है, that is your environment portion and science and tech portion. Environment के they are asking two questions, one 10 marker, one 15 marker. So we have to be prepared for that. So whatever you are reading for the prelims, जो भी current affairs, जो भी हमने ये शंकर पढ़ा होगा, you revise that. You revise that for mains also. Okay, that is for environment. S&T PT 365 would do. Okay, you cannot do anything more than that. GS2, 3 portions are there. Indian polity is there. Then your governance portion, and then IR portion. IR is only current affairs. IR is only current affairs. Entire 100% is current affairs. It will get covered from PT 365. Your governance portion, I will provide you notes, but you will have some concepts. ये इनसे PT 365 का social issues का भी पढ़ लेना, और polity का भी पढ़ लेना इसके लिए, governance का portion के लिए. And then your Lakshmikant should be handy, and conceptual understanding. I will tell you one important thing, what should be your notes, what should be your notes for mains. What I did, there is a topic of separation of power, there is a topic of center-state relation, there is a topic of parliamentary responsibility, there is a topic about judiciary, there is a topic about governor, speaker. So I prepared one page notes on everything. One page, let's say separation of power. Now separation of power mein you have to write where there is a separation of power and where there is a convergence of power, and which are the judicial जो भी judiciary के ये है cases है जो which are there in the separation of power. Same goes with the center state relation. If you are mentioning center state relation, you should always bring Sarkaria Commission and Punchi Commission. I again, for the governance portion, I request you guys, if possible, read the summary of second ARC, Sarkaria Commission and Punchi Commission. Read the summary of this, because many questions of the governance they are coming from this. If possible, read this. Then GS1, GS1 में मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्री दे आर आस्किंग वेरी गुड क्वेश्चंस, यू कैन, जो भी आपका प्रीलिम्स का नॉलेज है. आर्ट एंड कल्चर, वॉट एवर यू हैव डन फॉर प्रीलिम्स दे विल आस्क दिस. ओके, I'll tell you in the next video, if you don't know the answer, how you have to write answer. If you don't know the answer, how you can frame the answer, that I'll make the next video for this. Then the portion of post independence, they are asking 2 questions. My notes we would cover everything, almost everything for that. Then world history, if possible read world history, जैसे कि topics like French Revolution, American Revolution, Industrial Revolution, Italian Unification, German Unification, these topics you should read. These topics you should read. ओके ये टॉपिक पढ़ने चाहिए. ये टॉपिक अगर पढ़ोगे तो आपका एक थोड़ा सा वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री में बेस रहेगा. राइट, दे आर आस्किंग 1 क्वेश्चन, लेकिन इसके लिए भी मैं ट्रिक बताऊंगा कि कैसे करना है. राइट, वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री हो गया. इंडियन सोसाइटी, दे आर आस्किंग गुड नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन, 7 to 8 क्वेश्चंस. सो आई हैव मेड गुड नोट्स, यू कैन रेफर टू दोज नोट्स ऑफ इंडियन सोसाइटी. ओके, देन द लास्ट इज ज्योग्राफी. Geography में they are asking current affairs based question. They are asking current affairs based question. So I would request you to read the Insight Secure for this. Insight Secure for GS1 में जो geography का portion है उसके लिए, and also physical geography का जो भी हमने NCERT में पढ़ा है वो. Okay, so we are done with GS 1, 2, 3. Your essay preparation. Okay, essay, read the toppers essay, write your essays. Okay, improve yourself. Then ethics preparation, I have told you, your optional preparation. So you have to prepare a plan accordingly. I'll give you again a timeline on how you can prepare. I think you don't need to give a separate time for ethics. You can prepare on daily basis. Optional would consume your 45 days. Optional would consume your 45 days अगर cumulative effect देखा जाए, because optional is huge. Then you can allot 7-8 days for each GS, 7-8 days for each GS, and then like your preparation is done. Right, so the first iteration should be completed at the end of November. First iteration, that is your entire syllabus. This is, today is 9th of October, so you have got 50 days. You can cover your first revision in that, and in December you can revise and you can write the full length test. In December you can write the full length test, and 7-8 days of January you can revise. Again, how to proceed on writing answers, how to proceed on exam, I will make different videos for this. I have to give you a timeline. So ethics on daily basis, essay on Sundays, GS start optional with now. You can require 45 days for optional. Every GS will consume your 7-8 days. Current affairs, not only PT 365 but possible Insight Secure also if possible. Okay, these things I have given you source list for each and everything. There is mains book list also. Mains का भी book list है जो ग्रुप पे अपलोड किया है, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पे अपलोड किया है. यू कैन रेफर दैट. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट गाइज एंड थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू. Prepare very best. If you have any doubt in your mind, you can definitely ask me. All the best guys, and I am going to Academy today. Definitely I will be making videos from there also. I will be guiding all of you from there also. Okay, wish you all the best.